Let's go see the ball pit. No! Our house just flooded again! Flood 2.0! Alright, so,
Daddy,
what?
there's water dripping from the ball pit lights.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Look, come here, come here.
Fire. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We gotta get buckets. Go grab buckets. Shawn, what are you just standing there for, dude? We got a leak and a fire. There we go. At least move around. Go, put that underneath. Oh my goodness. Do you smell fire?
No.
Okay. Watch out. Watch out. Whoa, 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 whoa! It says there's a fire. I don't see a fire anywhere. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Our ball pit. Oh, it's all wet. The smoke detector's leaking.
This is the worst day ever.
Oh no. Now Shawn's crying. What's the matter? Come on, Shawn. We gotta get a bucket. Okay.
No, but that's too tiny.
No. It's not.
This one?
What's that bucket? Okay, bring that just in case. Light is off. The ground is wet. Our ball pit is soaked. There's water just pouring from our light. I know it's not funny.
Look at the line right there.
Yeah, no, dude, the ceiling's gonna be destroyed. It's the second time this happened. This time it's worse than last time, because last time it was the first floor.
Yeah.
Now it's leaking all the way down to the basement. All right, I'm going in. Oh, whoa, I sunk. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna get electrocuted here. You hate this day?
Yeah.
This is a lot of water.
A ceiling.
Look at the line across the ceiling.
It's all gonna be mold.
And then right here too. Now we gotta call somebody. This is like something you see in a movie. All this is all wet. Oh my goodness. I think it's Lexi's fault. All the electrical's in here, so we gotta turn this off. I don't even know what to turn off here. This is nuts. It keeps going off. I'm gonna try to look up here. See if we can see it. Oh, I don't see any water. Oh. This is now the second time this thing has leaked.
This literally just happened because when Lex and Mike came inside, I heard this thing going boom, boom, boom. So I moved like the blankets, and I moved it around, and then I walked out.
We've got some rotted wood down here. This happened once before, but it was a tiny little flood, so we didn't make a video about it. It basically went down stairs, same spot. That's when we didn't have a ceiling though yet, and that room wasn't finished. We thought that like this thing that lets the water out was just like loose. We didn't know what happened. Now we can clearly see it's this boy causing all the trouble.
Man.
So if anyone wants to buy this, let us know. I said let us know, not let us know. We know you don't want to buy it. Look how heavy this is. It's too heavy.
It's a blanket.
I don't care.
You can wash blankets.
Since when? Can't wash blankets. You didn't see all of it. It was like just everywhere. Is it all in here? We gotta like seal these floors somehow. What? You have something to add to this? What? Did you do this? You remember this? Does this bring back memories? It brings back memories for me. Mainly the ones that were like this.
This is how it happened.
You remember? You weren't even born.
This is broken.
Underneath?
Yeah.
You get to see
we gotta
where
take
from.
it out.
Look at that. We're taking everything out because clearly This machine broke. All right, well, we called some peeps.
And they're coming to us.
Yeah, they're coming to let us eat them because we like marshmallows for Easter. Ew, you're bursting like old salad. When they get here, we'll watch them do crazy things like destroy a washing machine.
I got an idea. Let's hot knife through the.
Ow! What?
Let's hot knife through the washing machine.
Hot knife through the washing machine? That would work like this. Bing! Doesn't work. Tell me, how do you feel about like the whole flood? Like, what are your thoughts? Like, what goes through your little tiny noggin? Nothing? I'm hoping we see like some monster crack at the bottom. Any water coming? Just some drippies?
Some drippies. What are you doing? Oh, it's dripping out.
Wait, was it this thing? Oh, it's this
It's disconnected.
thing. Oh, it's broken.
A credit card? That's where it went. I thought someone stole it.
Yo, this thing looks busted. Look, it broke apart from here.
How can that break?
Something broke here, and basically, look at this. Look, oh my goodness, look. This is unplugged, right?
Yeah.
This was like that. Water would go through there, but then it was shaking so much that it came undone and just let everything go everywhere.
Piece of garbage.
It is. So this thing, we should just make this thing toast and go get a new one. So it looks like we're going shopping.
Yay, shopping. But wait. I think our dryer's broken too.
No, it's not. Look at you.
There's a dent in it. Look.
Oh, you're
A
trying
piece of paint is tripping. It's broken.
Are you trying to get a new dryer? What, is it kind of messed up that if this is the brother and that's the sister?
Gotta get rid of both. Can't just keep one.
We take away the brother. We'll just get her a stepbrother.
No, we'll just.
A stepbrother washer. All right, I feel like my butt is wet because I'm sitting on the floor. Oh, what was that that just dropped? Oh, hello, little.
My credit card, please.
It looks like a little guy's legs.
Help me.
How does a credit card go through a machine?
That's a mad
I
good point.
legit thought I lost this or someone stole it.
Oh, look. Cobwebs. There's a spider in
Oh,
the
we
house.
gotta get rid of it. There's spiders. Maybe we should get rid of the house too.
We're very clean people. Don't judge us. Look underneath your washing machine legs. I bet they're all carfunkled too. What is that? Why is there a pencil coming out of the washing machine? Who washes pencils? We gotta get a pan, I think. You put a washer pan, it's like a giant metal like tray right here, so in case some water drips, it just sits in it and doesn't go downstairs. So right underneath here is where a ball pit is. So we're definitely gonna get a pan. What?
You said you wanted a pan.
Actually, yeah, that works out good. Good job. You're so awesome at this. That's why I married you, girl, because I knew one day you were gonna give me a pan for my broken washer. No, for real though, I'm just mad excited I found my winter gloves. They're from Old Navy. Bought them when I was 16, still got them. I'm 42 now. How much water was in this thing? Was it filled?
For a full load of laundry.
So it was completely filled. Was the water filled up to here and completely drained? Or was it on a rinse cycle and the water was trying to fill it up and it just kept pouring because it wouldn't get high because it was just leaking right out?
No, I think it was on rinse cycle.
Oh, jeez, Malise. What if our ball pit is like a swimming pool?
That'd be pretty cool.
I'm gonna go try to get shocked again. I'll be back. Maybe. This one's just struggling. This time I'm using a tripod. Yes! Hey, stop it, stop it. Getting a headache. So we're waiting for the disaster recovery people to show up. And I was just talking with my boy, Grady, and he actually told me about some washing machines recalled, Samsung. So I'm on here, look at this. All these washing machine model numbers recalled. It says there's been 733 reports of washing machines experiencing excessive vibration. And that's what happened, right?
Yeah.
She heard it vibrating, she fixed it.
I stopped it and I fixed it.
And then you left, and then as I was walking out the door, I saw water all over the ground. All right, hold on. Let's go see if one of these model numbers is one of ours. Come on, let's go check. All right, read it to me.
WA4.
Bingo. Sorry.
What? WA422PRHDW.
What? There it is. Yo, we could have had a broken jaw.
Wait, what do they do?
Look, it says that people have had a broken jaw and an injured shoulder because the top half of this thing just flies off and hits you. We got a killer washing machine. Well, cleanup's here. So these guys have a little thermal imagery reader unit, and whenever it's blue, shows you where there's water. So there's a water in a lot of places. Today's actually the first day of Mike's football practice. Hey Mike, you can't go to football.
What?
Cause we gotta take all the ball pit balls out. Now we're going to football, don't worry. He's so excited to start it. But we have to take every ball out. Start taking them out. Sorry.
That's not a lot of water.
No, it's this. And then it's all that water.
Wait, hold on.
And then all the water that went in there. And we got water up here, water down there. Checking to see if the carpet is wet. I can't quite tell. I mean, my feet are soggy, but I don't think that's any indication. I'm gonna use my hands, because my hands are better feelers than my feet are. And, okay, carpet is wet. Look, see my hand? See the moisture?
Yep.
Who would have known? Soggy feet? Nope. Wet hands? Yes. She's found somebody's weave. Guys, it's a good thing this happened. 50 cents. What, you get it?
Yep.
Why? I'm the one, oh. Okay, and I'll get this one, 75 cents. What? I'm gonna throw you in here. It's wet on the floor. Whoa, ball pit's so full. It's been a while since I've seen the carpet. Oh, in Mike's football practice, we're missing it. What's up, man? How was football?
Good.
I'm sorry I missed it. Played for the Giants? You're number 11? Sweet, bro. You wanna go in there?
Yeah.
Go in. You wanna help him? This is where we're at in here. We got all the baseboards off. Can't really tell, but we cut open the wall so that can dry. Dehumidifier. And
This broke.
yeah, this broke. We're going to eat dinner at Chick Fil A because our home is broken.
We just trespassed into somebody else's backyard.
Whoa, today's a crazy day. Trespassing,
Awesome.
flooding.
And we
Ew, Shawn, look at your teeth.
and I also learned how to do a flip and land it on the trampoline. But now
Oh, you gotta show me when you get back.
if you guys want to see me land it, go on Musically, go on my account at McMahonMiggle.
Check it out. Shawn, we're here.
Yeah, now we can slide on the.
Yay! Come on, get. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't think you were gonna get up by yourself. Chick Fil A.
Come on, baby. Come on. What's the?
Where are you guys going?
We're going on the side.
Oh,
Come. Hey, me.
he said he is, Mike.
Hey, come.
Chase, I saw you.
Come.
Oh. Was that funny? All right, come on, food's here. Whoa. Dude, our food is glowing. Oh, it's the door. Hey. It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Come on, it's time to eat. Okay, we're gonna have a finger caught in a door challenge. Let's see if he could do it. Psych, we're just kidding. You can't catch your... Yeah, oh, he said eat. You can't catch your fingers in these doors because... See? They made it for kids. Okay, you gonna stay in here? Okay, bye. Hey, he's pretty strong. I got your... Whoa. Can you do it? Yeah. French fry. You wanna eat? How's your milkshake?
Good. It was G-O-O-D.
Nice. How's your French fry? I got myself
G-
a chicken salad.
G-O-O-D means that something's good.
That's B-A-D. That means that if you say it was B-A-D, that means it was really good. These French fries taste B-A-D. Right, Shawn? Okay, Shawn, go and shake it. Ready? Hey, Chase, want some salad? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if it scares me. Oh, I'm sorry. Ew. Did you dip an apple in there? Let's hide it. Where'd it go? Oh no. Alright, sticky face challenge. This is where you put a napkin on someone's face and see if it sticks. If so, they have a sticky face. Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Don't you and me. And it kind of stuck. No. Ow. Hey.
When Shawn did that, I farted.
Ew. Me too. Smell, smell, smell. Ew, stinky. Hey, you dip your fingers in there? Are these chicken fingers? No, you dipped it. Dip, 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 dip. Ugh, yucky. I don't like that. Honey mustard on your apples?
What does this spell? O-G-A.
Olga.
Oga!
Olga! He knows.
Did you get that on tape?
On tape? What is this, the 80s? Food fight.
But Daddy, next Halloween, Shawn has to be a ghost.
You're gonna be a ghost? Oh, you like tomatoes? Whoa.
I don't think he likes it.
Alfalfa, what are you doing here? No, don't touch your hair.
He's like, what are you talking about?
Ew, it's nasty. You have honey mustard hair. Ah.
You don't see that to me.
Oh!
Savage.
Don't you do it.
Didn't you know I'm a savage? He was asking me, how did you get up there?
Shawn wants to know. That's a pretty strong baby because that's a heavy door.
He got head stuck in the door.
I gonna get you. I gonna get you. I gonna get you.
Chase, go right there.
You're crazy, Shawn. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Chase, watch this. Run!
Whoa, hey, don't do that.
Daddy,
No, stop
Shawn
it.
said
Stop. Don't do that.
before, Shawn, when he knocked me out.
Hey, stop it.
Shawn!
Hey, stop. No, don't do that. Stop that. Stop it. No, hey, what are you doing? What? Where are you going with that? Where are you going with that? Where are you going?
It's just little pet doggy.
Where are you going
Shawn
with
is
that?
the doggy himself.
Where are you doing that? We go put that back? No more. Shawn. Hey. Shawn. Shawn, come back here. Where are you going? Shawn, come back here. Shawn. Wait. Come on, come on. Come on, Trouble. Shawn, you look like a messy troublemaker. Alright, we can't bring Shawn to Chick Fil A anymore.
No way.
Shawn, you're banned from Chick Fil A. They kicked you out. Come on. You got this? You know what to do? Kind of stuck here? He doesn't know how to walk upstairs yet. Let's go see our broken house. Got it. Okay. Okay, you need help. What? Hey, you can't go in that room. We're making it dry. Yeah, you can't go in there. His feet. I think his feet are wet. He's leaving little footprints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are you making footprints? So we've been gone for a little while. Now I'm gonna go see what's been done in the ball pit room. Oh, it's so hot out here. Chase can't even breathe. Dude, look at all these bags. What the?
Dad, you can die when you down.
Yeah, oh my goodness. There's a smushed goldfish. So there's a good chance that tomorrow they're gonna cut open the ceilings.
No.
Yeah. Oh, water damage there. I never thought I would see the inside of this thing again. Don't go down there, bro. You get electrocuted. Don't do it. Don't. Bye, Chase. Nice knowing you. Ah, the balls like left little imprints.
Jelly beans, want to eat it?
No. Good morning. Good morning. Wait, can you stand there? I want to see if I can hold you in my hand. Look how tiny my wife is. I'm holding her in my hand. Naked boy, Mike and Lex are at school. Shawn's still sleeping, and today we cut open the ceiling of the ball pit.
Yeah.
What? So we're riding bikes while they're tearing up our ceiling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check out Chase and his new bike. Let's go see the ball pit. No! The ball pit's garbage! There's cotton candy on the floor, ceiling crumbs, a piece of white American cheese is missing from my ceiling.
White American! Could be some of your cheese.
There's powder on the steps. What happened? This is so sad. It's like ball pit surgery. You guys, wash your hands in the sink, okay? Whoa! Where'd our sink go?
I don't know.
They took out our sink. Our sink is gone. Where's our sink? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look, would you look at this? Would you look at... Hi, what's the matter? Whoa, Chase? What's Chase about to do? What? That's his gate, Chase! Put it back! Oh no, Michael, don't. Whoa! Whoa! That's his gate, Mike! Jeez, don't you know that's his favorite gate? Oh! That is his gate! What did they do to your gate? You missed. You don't like your own gate? What's gonna happen? Oh! Now you don't like your own gate? That's why you have to be a good example to your brother, because he's gonna copy everything you do. No more!
Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you check out the next video where we continue our flood disaster recovery process. Thanks for watching. Have a fun all day. And for more flood fun, check out our gameplay on FGTEEV, also about floods. Flood bye!
Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on.
All right, put that lid on. We are getting ready to make
Ice cream noodles.
Take that, feel that.
Ice cream noodles. Ew, soy. Ice cream noodles. Ew, soy. Ice cream noodles.
Oh!
Noodles.
Ice cream